Hi everyone, day 17 of the 31 days to get organised challenges, and today we're talking about malignant clutter. Now, the one thing I have learned in the almost 20 years of doing this is that decluttering and getting organised is about readiness. You have to be ready to do this, and this is nowhere more true than when you're dealing with malignant clutter, the items that really create a feeling of sadness or bring back memories of trauma or abuse or loss. Now, if you don't feel you're ready to deal with malignant clutter in your home, then I really encourage you to step away from these challenges and check out some of the past challenges on my YouTube channel. Because I don't want to push you into something you are not prepared for and something that perhaps you may need professional help to deal with. However, if you do feel that you're at a place or would like to attempt dealing with malignant clutter, today's for you. I need you to walk around your house, and I know you've been thinking about this, and make a list of those items that really create kind of bad karma for you. Things that make you think of the negative times, the sad times in your life, and start thinking about the power that they wield over you. Why are you holding on to them? What are they? And why it is that you're struggling to let them go? Because tomorrow we're going to be talking about activities to help with closure with those items, and I'm sure it will help those ready to do so.